my beloved friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, gagawa tayo ng lemon strawberry juice. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. Gagawa na tayo. Baka i-skip nyo pa tong video. So, let's go! Right now, kailangan natin ma-squeeze ng lemon. Then strawberries. Then add tayo ng sugar. And then, ilalagay muna natin ito sa freezer for 3 to 5 minutes para mas kumula yung strawberry and para mas mag-blend silang dalawa ng lemon. So, let's go! Ayan, naka 5 minutes na tayo. So, titikman na natin ang ating lemon strawberry juice. Cheers! Sarap! So, ayan guys, tapos na ang ating vlog. So, thank you so much for watching again. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. And, syempre, try nyo yung lemon strawberry juice. Bye-bye!